Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best Peacock TV promo codes or discount codes which are working right now. So just open up your Chrome browser or any other browser inside your mobile phone or PC, and once you open up your browser, so just go to this website called couponfollow.com. And once you are at the homepage of couponfollow.com, so you will see an interface like this one. So just go to the search bar and search your Peacock, and you will see this website peacocktv.com. So just open this website and you will see a list of the promo codes which are listed. As you can see, top Peacock promo codes for September 4. So these promo codes are basically updated daily according to the dates. Today is 4 September, so they have given me 4 September promo codes. So you can just choose the promo code whichever you want to choose. Click on show coupon code, and they will reveal the coupon code in front of you. Just go to Peacock, redeem at Peacock, and you will be able to redeem it. Now the second one is simplycodes.com. Go to this website, go to search section, and write down here Peacock. And once you write down Peacock, so they will list the Peacock. As you can see, Peacock TV, just click on it and you will see a list of different promo codes which are listed inside this website as well. Just click on view code and they will reveal the code in front of you, so you can just click on copy and shop at Peacock TV. So you can just get those promo codes, use them, and enjoy your Peacock. So this is the simple and easy process of how you can do it.